Hello, welcome to this video where we will be walking you through how to interact with the revision learning path for BACS 2. If you are already registered with Smartest from the workshops a little while back, you will be able to access the learning path shown in this video. So if you have not done so already, please sign up. So with Smartest, what we offer here, or with this video, what we offer here are revision tasks that are linked with the lessons which teach relevant material. So if you, for example, learn task 1 from the algebra revision, you will see the task description by expanding the circle named task 1. Remember that these circles are steps in the learning path, and we also call them nodes. So expanding task 1, you will not only see the formulation of this task, but will also see that it is linked to the lessons 1 to 2. You will also be able to mark your own notes to help your revision. You will also be able to bookmark a step, a node, i.e. a node, and check your progress. Let's have a look at how these work. So you are revising for BACS 2, so let's go to the learning path called WIUT BACS 2 Test 2 Revision. You can find this learning path yourself by searching for BACS revision from the Search and Notion page, like so. Right, and let's open it. So opening this learning path, you will see 3 circles, or 2 circles and 1 diamond, which are called nodes, and 1 general, saying what is this path doing. So this one. 2 other nodes called algebra and geometry are the learning paths we designed to help your revision. Let's look at algebra. To begin using the learning path, you need to expand this circle or node, which I've just done by double-clicking. You will see its description and the whole paths to revise this topic. So you will bring this path to the screen by clicking the hyperlink below the picture of this revision path in the bottom of the screen. This is exactly what you are doing when you work with a website. Now you can see the whole revision path, which is called WIUT BACS Test 2 Revision Algebra. When you double-click on any of the steps of this path, you will expand them, and you can see the description of the tasks and the links to the lessons where relevant material is explained. Here, there will be a description telling you what to do, and on the right, or below if you're on mobile, there will be links to resources, like links to pages or downloadable files, which in this case is a download link to your semester 2 revision worksheet. So in case of task 1, you can see the formulation of a relevant task, a linked worksheet, and scrolling down, a link to the lessons where linear functions are taught. If you need to consult or revise these lessons, you click on the hyperlink below the picture of lessons 1 to 2, like so. Okay, so double-clicking into the next node, it is the same thing again. So if you scroll down, there'll be the description for the node, telling you what to do. In this case, it is a copy-paste of the first task from the semester 2 revision worksheet. And once again, there is a download link for the worksheet on the right here. Just in case you decide to not go in the order shown with the learning path, the worksheet is downloadable from any node. Again, you will see here there is a linked materials preview. Linked materials are, in this case, as explained before, learning paths which will help you learn the topic for the node. To access them, as said before, hover over, click the link below the link material, or double click into one of the nodes or the link material, like we showed earlier when expanding a node. So coming back to the learning path, you can also take notes while inside a node, like so. If we type notes here, they will be visible in the PDF export of the learning path. You can export PDFs like so. Okay, and I'm just going to open it. So as we see, if we scroll down, let's find, if we scroll down, your notes will appear in the PDF. The notes kind of work like if you were annotating directly on the worksheet. Okay, so other things to note. So let's go here. The module structure section shows all the nodes that are in the learning path in list form. It is accessible by clicking here and selecting module structure. You can also bookmark nodes, so. And then access them here, like when accessing the module structure. So like this. And the module structure and bookmark node sections work in the same way. Every node is listed as a page link, so by clicking on one, you can jump to that node's page. So